The Envelop minting decentralized application of version 1.1 gives the possibility to mint the non-fungible tokens of standard 721 or 1155. Users can mint one non-fungible token or the whole batch of them. The application allows download the media file either by dragging and dropping it into the download area or via an Explorer window, or provide a link to the media file. Important: the web storage of the media file should allow the media file to be displayed in third-party applications. There are two modes of the working: default and custom. The users have the possibility to deploy the individual smart contract of their NFT collection and mint non-fungible tokens using it in custom mode. Users can use two decentralized storages for the saving metadata, APIFs and Swarm. Create a non-fungible token in default mode. Download the media file. Enter name and description. Enter additional properties to be stored in the metadata. Enter the name of the property and the meaning of the property. Standard of token is 721. Number of tokens to be minted per transaction 1. Sign a transaction in the crypto wallet. To do this, user need to give the allowance for mint dApp to use the wallet. The metadata is saving in decentralized storage. After this, dApp requests to sign the mint transaction in the wallet. Confirm the transaction. We minted the non-fungible token using default smart contract, accessible to everyone. There are the smart contract address and token ID on the pop-up. Look at NFT on Envelop dashboard. The token appears on the dashboard not at once because Envelop Oracle takes the time to grab data from a blockchain. View NFT page. Mint NFT 1155 in the same way using Swarm storage. Enter quantity, the future balance of token. Press mint and sign the transaction in the wallet. Look at NFT on Envelop dashboard. Check total supply of NFT. Now we will mint the batch of NFT per one transaction using the default smart contract. Enter the amount of NFTs. Press mint and sign the transaction in the wallet. The application minted 3 NFTs on default smart contract. Check it on Envelop dashboard. Switch to custom mode and create the individual NFT collection of ERC 721 standard, deploying separate smart contract in the blockchain. Enter contract name and contract symbol. Press button of the deploying the smart contract. Sign the transaction in the crypto wallet. There is the smart contract address of new individual NFT collection on the pop-up. The smart contract address appeared in address list. Mint NFTs using the individual smart contract. Press mint and sign the transaction in the wallet. Now new NFTs of individual collection with token ID 0 and 1 will appear on Envelop dashboard. Important note: only owner of individual NFT collection have the right to mint. Create individual NFT collection of ERC 1155, deploying separate smart contract in the blockchain. Enter contract name and contract symbol. Press button of the deploying the smart contract. Sign the transaction in the crypto wallet. There is the smart contract address of new individual NFT collection on the pop-up. The smart contract address appeared in address list. Mint NFT ERC 1155 using the individual smart contract. Press mint and sign the transaction in the wallet. Now new NFT of individual collection with token ID 0 will appear on Envelop dashboard. User can have several individual NFT collections. Check it now. Enter contract name and contract symbol for yet new one. Press button of the deploying the smart contract. Sign the transaction in the crypto wallet. The smart contract address appeared in address list. Don't forget, user can use web links to download images for the creating NFTs. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Create individual NFT collections and make the world a better place.